to activate two-factor authentication on Instagram, step 1. Go to your profile and click on the menu button, then click on Settings. Step 2. Go to Security and click on two-factor authentication. And step 3. Choose one item from the list and continue the video to know the difference between all. Authentication apps usually provide security codes used by application and websites in order to ensure high level of security. So if you want to use, there are many in the market. You can find them on Play Store and App Store. So make use of them. Using WhatsApp as a two-factor authentication is a good idea, as they send you the code to your personal WhatsApp. However, I don't suggest it. The text message two-factor authentication is directly connected to your mobile phone. So Instagram will directly send you the code by SMS to your device, and thus that's the best one I prefer. Once you press on additional methods, you will see a turn on button regarding login. So you turn it on, this will activate as well. Once you log in, you are requested to approve the login before you can use the application on another device. So make sure to turn it on. Trusted devices are recently used by many companies. In order to validate that your application and your account are secured, you need to verify that the device you have installed the application and connected your account is a trusted device that you are personally using. So if you are using more than one device, mobile, tablet, and you are using your account, make sure to trust these devices unless it's not your personal device. Other devices just log in, and as mentioned previously, verify that you have logged in personally, and don't forget to sign out when you are not using your application on other devices.